Alrighty, folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. Alright, guys, back on the scratch pad. Got some Cash Explosion tickets, 3 of them to be exact. This is the new Cash Explosion game. This is the newest one out. It's got 3 times more entries for the TV game show. The way you win this game is 3 like prize amounts or 2 like prize amounts and a 2x or 5x to win the prize, or you get 3 entries to be on the TV game show. Alright, got 65, 66, and 67. Got the silver quarter out, the 1964 silver quarter. That's how you can tell. No copper in it. 64 silver quarter, the lucky quarter. Alright, let's see what you got on these tickets. Starting off with a big $2. Next, $50. And then we have a $20. And then we got $5. And we have $5,000. I bought these tickets at a store that had a $5,000 winner about a year ago. Oh my gosh, there's another $5,000. Bought these at a mobile station down in Columbus. All right, you can get another $5,000. Another $2. Can we get the $5,000? $5,000, baby. There's a 5. There's a 5. $5. All right, so we got 2 $5,000s and 2 $2 and 2 $5. What do we got? What do we have? $10. All right, so this one is a Ohio Lottery loser. Ticket number 66. 66. 66 pickup sticks. Starting off with $2. Another $2. $5,000. $20. $50. $50. Those 2 50s. 2 50s. $20. Got 2 20s, 2 50s, 2 2s. Can we get what's it gonna be? $5,000. So we got the bases loaded. This will probably be a freaking entry under here. Nope. $2 winner. Is it $2 winner? Yep, it's $2 winner. $2 winner on 66. All right. Moving on to ticket number 67. 67. See what we got. $500. $2. $500. There's an entry. Got to get 2 more. $5,000. $5,000. Come on, 5,000, baby. $2. Come on, 5,000. 5,000 or 500. Another entry. Another entry. 1 more entry, and it's an entry to the TV game show. It's a $sign. It's a 2. So it's a loser. All right. Well, so up to $2 winner. All right. $4 back out of the 6. $4 back out of the 6. And that is the Cash Explosion, the very newest $2 Cash Explosion show. Cash Explosion ticket. 3 times more entries. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And from the scratch pad, that's about it. Thanks for watching.